kind of be a pain pop off sometimes. Perfect. So,
is this a washer right here?
Yeah. This should be one bearing right here, right? Feels pretty good though.
It doesn't, yeah. Try side by side with the fenders. That feels fine.
I'm not gonna actually do it, but
Yikes.
oh no. Got some water in there, bud.
So this is the armature, the spinny bit, and this is the stator, the stationary bit.
Okay. It's not good.
No. If I were you...
Oh my god, bro. If that's not already junked, it was about to be. God.
I think be clean. I think right now, personally, I think you got lucky that you checked it when you did, because I think this can be cleaned up and saved.
I hope.
I think if you would have waited any longer, you'd have screwed it 100%. I think if you disconnect power and hit it with some contact cleaner and Scotch-Brite, I think you'll be fine. Of course, I'm going to struggle now. Yikes, packed with sand.